Most people work hard for their money, but very few are taught how to manage it. If budgeting, saving, debt, or investing feels confusing, you're not alone. In this video, I'll break down personal finance basics step by step so you can start taking control of your money, even from zero. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. This channel helps you make smarter decisions with your money through simple, practical lessons. We cover saving, budgeting, investing, debt, credit, and long-term wealth building without hype or complicated jargon. Just clear strategies you can actually use. So make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Step 1. Know your numbers. Before anything else, you need clarity. Ask yourself, how much money do I earn each month? How much do I spend? Where does my money actually go? Track your income and expenses, even for just 1 month. You can use a notes app, spreadsheet, or budgeting app. Awareness is the first win. Step 2. Create a simple budget. A budget is just a plan for your money, not a restriction. A beginner-friendly rule is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, lifestyle. 20% for saving or debt repayment. Adjust the percentages to fit your life. The goal is control, not perfection. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Emergencies happen. Start by saving $500 to $1,000, then aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses over time. Keep this money in a safe, easily accessible account, not investments. This fund protects you from debt and financial stress. Step 4. Manage and reduce debt. Not all debt is equal. High-interest debt, like credit cards, should be your priority. Focus on paying more than the minimum, avoiding new unnecessary debt, using debt as a tool, not a lifestyle. Less debt equals more freedom. Step 5. Start investing early. You don't need to be rich to invest, you need to start early. Begin with long-term thinking, simple investment options, consistency over timing the market. Even small amounts grow over time thanks to compounding. Personal finance isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab, and check out our next videos where we go deeper into saving, investing, and building real wealth. Your money should work for you, not the other way around.